What's up, guys? Today we're playing anomalous coffee machine. Yeah, I think this game is for 18 plus people. Well, hello there, you person. Oh wait, you bit. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up, yapper! Yapper! Get the hell! Shut up! Shut up! Oh, I should put coffee. It's coffee, right? It's coffee. Listen, it works. Okay. Coffee! Yay! A coffee! Let her drink. I don't want to drink some. Shut the hell up. You're speaking like a freaking inappropriate girl. There's no numbers here. Wait. No, I don't care. Oh, yeah, never mind. I don't know. I'm just typing numbers, bro. Why is there numbers there anyways? Is there a drink called 6-7, dude? No, shut up. Shut up. So shit. I don't care when you shut the fuck up. Okay, wait, guys. Okay, we're black. We're back. Okay, let's do water. Water. Get them water, you dumbass. Drink water. No, I'm gonna drink for myself. Water. Yeah, cup of water. Cup of water. Okay. She's been mean to me. I don't care. Little poop. Yeah. Oh my gosh, what the hell is this? It's coffee. Okay, you want mouthwash? Oh, mouthwash. Mouthwash. You really do need it. There. Mouthwash. Oh, that looks like burgers. That's intense. Ugh. Shut the hell up. It's so strong and minty. Shut up. Oh, how about I do knife? I want to kill her. Get the drink. Oh my gosh, he doesn't like me again. Okay, guys, wait. Okay, wait. Okay, I got to fix. So many glitches. I get it why it's called alpha. What did she want again? Well, I don't know what it was I put. Holy water. Holy water. Let's see you try to drink this. Let's see. Oh, this ain't really. Wait. I think it's just really holy water. It's definitely just holy water. Definitely. Okay, what about I do pee? Pee, 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 poop. Okay, no, do, 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 do pee. Then yeah, there's no way. If it's yellow, okay, I don't know. Gross. Yeah, yeah, drink. Bitter salty. It sounds like you have drank it before. Okay. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I don't know what to put. Seawater? Sea water? Water? Seawater, yeah, seawater. Just salty water. Yeah, right there? This says, yeah, you, of course this just, please. Okay. Oh, I don't know what to put. I'll put cola. Coca, Coca, Coca-Cola. Yeah, just yeah. Coca-Cola. Drink. Yeah. Fant. Pep. Pep. Peppy. I don't know. Mouth. Uh. Spit. 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 Sup. S-T-O. Oh my gosh. I'm so bad at spelling. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, yeah, I know. Milk. 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 Cup of milk. Cup of milk. Yeah, just cup of milk. I'm trying to forget. What do you think it is? A cup of milk. Freaking hell. I'm just gonna give her matcha. Matcha. Yeah. How the hell? Okay. Shut up. Boba. Do you want boba? Oh, but she knows what this shit. How the hell? How the hell do you not know boba? What the hell? I don't know what to give her. Blood? Just blood? Just bloodthirsty blood? Just getting like vampire. Oh wait, I know what to do the next one. Cup of Joe. Okay. What was I again? It was called. Okay, let's just do Cup of Joe. 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 Ah. Yeah. Ah. Really, huh? Cup of Joe. Really have to. Okay, let's what we were doing. Blood. A drink, blood, drink. Of course, blood. I'm here with me. Yeah. I'm gonna knife them. I'm gonna kill you so bad. Knife. I'm gonna kill you so bad. Cup a knife. Ah, sharp, so sharp. It's like I don't see it. Oh, what? Chainsaw man. Okay, let's do back. Back. Just straight up back. You want a bag? Cup a bag. Cup a bag. What about hell? Hell. Ew. Cup of hell. Drink, drink, drink. Oh my god, this episode right. Don't care. Woo. You look so dumb. Let's just do ghost. I found these in YouTube channel, so don't call me a hacker. Okay, listen. Drink, drink. Ah, oh, good. Cup of Oreo. Oreo. You should know what's an Oreo. What the fuck you mean? Man milk. Man milk. Okay, cookie. Cookie. Cup of cookie. Oh shit. A cup of cookie. Okay, that's it for the video. I don't care anymore.